Children, kindly stand for the morning prayer song. Join your hands. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವವನೇ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ದೇವನೇ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವವನೇ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ದೇವನೇ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು, ನೀವು ಕೈ ಬಿಡುವ ದೇವರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು, ನೀವು ಕೈ ಬಿಡುವ ದೇವರಲ್ಲ. ಆರಾಧನೆ 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 ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವವನೇ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ದೇವನೇ. Good morning, children. Children, I already finished lesson number 1, children, Swami Vivekananda, and I had given the question and answer also. Must be you wrote in your notes book, and I told you to study. Don't keep and write the book. Don't keep the book aside. You have to read, children. You have to learn. Okay, children. Now let's go to the lesson number 2, the nuclear test. The nuclear test. What is the meaning of nuclear test, children? Must be you studied in social studies EVS class, the nuclear family and the joint family, isn't it? Yes. Nuclear family means, children, a small family, a small father, mother and the children. That is called nuclear family. A small family is called nuclear family. You can see the picture over there. And the joint family means, children, a big family. Father, mother, children, grandfather, grandmother, many are there. That is called joint family. In the joint family, children, each members are helping children. Each members are helping each other. But in the nuclear family, no one is there to help. No one is there to help. Children, in the olden days, children, joint family means a big, many members. I think so mostly more than 20 members were there in the joint family. They are having the farm, they are having the field, they are working together. You take my own example, children. I love to go, when I was small, like you, I love to go to my grandparents' house. I love to go because they are staying in the village. They are having the farm, they are having the field, and many members were there. 18, 19, maybe many. And we used to stay over there. And we are small, we are only sweeping and cleaning only, that's it. And when the function time, children, and function is there, no? That time, children, no DJ party, nothing. DJ was not there at that time. DJ was not there. What they are doing, you know that? One person is singing, children. One person is singing the song and other one is there, no? You know the idli steamer. Idli steamer. Look, you can see on the picture over there. Idli steamer. That is the what, children? Band. You heard must be band. And they are holding the idli steamer in the hand and one stick is there and they are beating the idli steamer. Dum, dum, dum. No band, nothing. And cricket also the same, children. Now you are having a bat and all. In my generation, children, no bat, nothing. No money only. No money only. My grandparents are having no money at the time. What we used to do, you know that? You know the coconut tree, na? You know the coconut tree. The petiole, you can see the picture over there. Petiole. That is bad for us. In that only we are playing the cricket. Very nice it is, very nice. Screaming and playing and all. Very nice it is. But now totally different, children. Totally different. Now it is a nuclear family. Joint families, we are very rare to find out the joint family nowadays. Very rare, very rare. Now the generation don't like the old people only. Don't like the old people only there. That is called children. That is the difference between the joint family and the nuclear family. Which one you like, children? Which one you like it? Joint or nuclear? Yes. When I'm going to meet now, that I'm going to ask the question. I'm going to ask the question, which family you like, joint or a nuclear? Yes, children. Now, let's start the lesson, children. Pre-reading activity. Do you enjoy your grandparents' company? Do your grandparents stay with you or do they stay in a different place? Do you visit them often? Do they help you in your school work? See, children, so many questions are there. You have to give the answer. Do you enjoy your grandparents? Of course, children. Of course. And you also to love to go to grandparents' house. Why, children? Why? Why you good run? Because here mummy is asking the question answer. And suppose if you are getting a less mark also, she is scolding and she is beating. Grandparents are not doing anything. Because of that only, you are enjoying. No, your grandparents. Do your grandparents stay with you or do they stay in a different place? Of course, children, some grandparents are staying with you, but some are not here. Most probably, children, all the grandparents are staying in the village. They love the place over there only. Suppose if they are coming to the city also, here too much pollution is there, children. Pollution. And children in the village, they get a fresh items, children, fresh. And here it is all children injected. Injected item only you will get. Yes, children. Do you visit them often? You're going, no? When the vacation comes, you're going there. Do they help you in your school work? Of course, children, they are going to help you. Nowadays, your parents are also going for the work. That time, who is helping? Your grandparents are only helping. They are helping in cooking also. They are helping you. They are helping in the studies also. They are helping. Discuss these questions with your friends and collect their opinions. Now you don't discuss with your friends, children. You're not coming to the school, so no need to discuss, and don't discuss over the phone. No need to discuss over the phone. Suppose if you are going to meet your friends, that time you discuss with your grandparents. Okay? Yes. Now, children, let's start the story. This is the story of Anjali, children, a girl. She is alone. She is an alone child. And she is staying in the nuclear family. Here in the story, there are altogether 5 persons are there. Grandfather, grandmother, Anjali, Anjali's father, Anjali's mother. Okay, yes. Let's start the story now. Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Why are you removing all the things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in a voice which sounded like she was ready for fight. See, children, here, children, Amma, what mother is doing, children? She's removing all the clothes over there. She's removing all the clothes, children. Because why she's removing all the clothes? Because the grandparents are coming and staying. Because of that only she's removing all the clothes. So, children, Anjali is asking children. That is also which voice she's asking. She's raising the voice. She's raising the voice and she's asking, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Why are you removing all the things from my cupboard? That is also, she's raising her voice and she's asking. You already know, Anjali, Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things, her mother replied firmly. You know, Anjali, why I am removing your things from the cupboard? Because Dada and Dadi are coming. So, I want to make a place for them to keep their things. Firmly means politely, she replied. Next one. But Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Cried Anjali. Look at here. Where will my things go? Where you are going to keep my things? Why should I leave my room? Since I was a baby, I am using this room. Now I should leave this room only for Dada and Dadi? She's asking many questions, and that is also she's crying and asking, crying and asking. Come on, Anju. You are not going up everything. You are only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead of in this room. And your things can be accommodated elsewhere, replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with her daughter's endless objections. Look at your children. And she told mother, come on Anju. Anju is a pet name, children. Come on Anju. You are not giving up everything. You are not giving up everything. Only you have to leave your room and you have to sleep on the sofa. Couch means, children, sofa. Only you have to leave your room and sleep on the sofa instead of in this room. And your things are there now. What I took from the cupboard, I am going to accommodate. Accommodate means adjusted. I am going to adjust somewhere else. I am not throwing your things. I am going to keep your things but not there, somewhere else. Replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather. Children, if you are finding this word is difficult to read, children, you have to divide the word in read. E-X-X as per, like that you read it, okay? Exasperated. Exasperated means, children, irritating. Irritating. Anjali keep on asking many questions and mother is getting irritated at that time. Keep on asking. Endless questions she is asking. One by one questions she is asking. At the time mother is going to irritate. Okay. Yeah, come to the next para. This is how it had been ever since. Anjali had been told that her grandparents would be living with them from now on. Here, children, the parents are living with them only. The grandparents are living with them only now. So, Anjali don't like. Because the main thing is she want to leave her room. She want to leave her room, bedroom. And she want to go to, she want to sleep on the sofa. That she don't like. They had recently sold off all their land in the little village where they had lived most of their life. See, children, most of their life, children, grandparents were passed in village only. And they love to do the work in the village and they love to stay in the village. Now, children, because of their age, they are not having the strength, they are not having the stamina. They are not having the strength, they are not having the stamina to work on the field or to work on the field or work on the farm. They're not having the stamina, they're not having energy. Then how they will work? Children, must be you saw children in your house. If the old persons are there, they are holding the walking stick and they are walking. It is very difficult to take one step also, children. You only came to know when you are become old, children. It is not so easy, children. We have to take care of them, children. We have to take care of them. Always you don't scold the grandparents, children. Don't scold them. Okay, yes. Dada was nudging 70 now and was too old to be able to run the farm all by himself. Here, children, Dada is getting old. Nudging means, children, push gently. Age is pushing. Age. Push gently. Okay, the Dada, children, he is a 70 plus. He is not having a strength in his body to work on the field or on the farm. So what he is doing? He don't want to sold that land. He loved that land, but no other option. It is very difficult, children. Only the grandparents to look after the village. It is very difficult, children. It is very difficult. No one is there. They want the support. Okay. Yes. And he cannot run alone over there. He cannot work alone in the field or in the farm because of his age. He had promised he would not leave his beloved land till he dies, but he was finding it more and more difficult to live there alone. Look at this. Actually, children, he don't want to sail that land. He don't want. He loved that land. He loved that land. He loved that land. But because of his age, it is very, very difficult to live there alone. Live there alone. Children are not coming over there because it is a village. Yes. All his children had migrated to the cities. Look at there. Look at that. All their children, where they migrated means going one place to another. Children are not staying in the village. They don't like village. They don't like village. They love to stay in the city. In the city, everything is there. You will get a mall, the theater, and the shopping mall. Everything is there. But in the village, what is there? Nothing is there. Because they love to stay in the city. Two of Anjali's Chachajis were abroad. See, two children are in abroad. Only Papa lived in Pune while Rita Bua was in Delhi. Dada had been, this also some little bit of children, Dada had been persuaded by Anjali's father to come and live with them. Papa wanted all of them to be together as a joint family. He could then take care of his aging parents. Look at here, children. Anjali's father, what he is thinking? Oh, my grandparents are in the village. They are totally alone. They are totally alone. I'm calling them. And better to live together as a joint family. Who is thinking that? Anjali's father is thinking like that only because they are the now old person. And they want the support. No one is there in the village. So Anjali's father is calling. Who's Anjali's father is calling whom? Anjali's father is calling his parents to live together as a joint family. But who is taking care over here? Anjali's father only taking care of his parents. Okay? Yes, children. But Anjali don't like all those things. She want the nuclear family. Okay. Here I'm going to end this year, children. Next class I'm going to continue. Okay. And here, children's present tense and past tense are there, children. Migrate, migrated. Tell, told. Promise, promised. Ask, asked. Sound, sounded. Reply, replied. And children, difficult words, what children? Aspirated, migrated, accommodated, nudging, pursued. Okay, these are all the difficult words, children. You have to write it in the rough book 5 times, children. Okay, yes. Listen, children, carefully. I'm going to read the lesson. Children, on the online class, I saw children. Majority, only few read. Only few. Next time again, I'm going to ask. If you are not having a textbook, children, take out the screenshot and read. Take out the screenshot and read. Okay. Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in a voice which sounded like she was ready for a fight. You already know, Anjali, Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things. Her mother replied firmly. But Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Cried Anjali. Come on, Anju. You are not giving up everything. You are only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead of in this room. And your things can be accommodated elsewhere, replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with her daughter's endless objection. This is how it had been ever since. Anjali had been told that her grandparents would be living with them from now on. They had recently sold off all their land in the little village where they had lived most of their life. Dada was nudging 70 now and was too old to be able to run the farm all by himself. He had promised he would not leave his beloved land till he dies, but he was finding it more and more difficult to live there alone. All his children had migrated to the cities. Two Anjali's Chachajis were abroad. Only Papa lived in Pune, while Rita Bua was in Delhi. Dada had been persuaded by Anjali's father to come and live with him. Papa wanted all of them to be together as a joint family. He could then take care of his aging parents. Children, one more thing over here, children. When the word W-H-E-R-E were and W-E-R-E were, W-E-R-E were and W-H-E-R-E were. And one more thing, children. T-H-E, the. But children, if the vowel comes, A-E-I-O-U are the vowels. In front of the vowels, you have to read, children, the. Got it? Where is different, where is different, children. Where are you going? Where are you going? And here you can see the two Anjali's Chachaji were abroad. This were is different, where is different. Okay? Yes, children. Try to read the lesson, children. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.